Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is binomial theorem. Now here first one, the coefficient of x power 53 in the expansion of sigma m equal to 0 to 100, 100 cm x minus 3 power 100 minus m 2 power m is. Now here total expansion value m value 0. First you take 0, 100 c 0 value 1, x minus 3 power 100 minus 0, 100, x minus 3 power 100, 2 power 0 value 1. Now x minus 3 power 100 plus next 100 c1, 100 c1, x minus 3 power 100 minus 199. Now 2 power 1 plus 100 c2 x minus 3 power 98 2 square plus up to so on. Last value 100, 100 c 100 value 1, x minus 3 power 100 minus 100, x power 0 is 1. Now 2 power 100, 2 power 100. Okay, now here total expansion value x minus 3 plus 2 power 100. Okay, x minus 3, x plus a whole power n. Expansion, total expansion. Okay, now x minus 3 plus 2 power 100. Now x minus 1 power 100. Now minus common, 1 minus x power 100. Okay, in this expansion, coefficient of x power 53. Now coefficient of x power 53 is equal to 100 c 53 minus 1 power 53. Okay, minus 100 c 53 minus 100 c 53. Third one is the correct one. Third one is the next one. The sum of the series sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR into 1 by 2 power r plus 3 power r by 2 power 2 r plus 7 power r by 2 power 3 r plus up to so on m terms is. Now this one multiply with this one first term, second, third. Let T1 is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR 1 by 2 power r. Okay, this one expansion x minus a power n. Now this expansion can be right now 1 minus 1 by 2 power n, x minus a power n. Now 1 by 2 power n is equal to 1 by 2 power n. Next T2 is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR 3 by 4 power r. 3 by 4 power r is equal to. Now 1 minus 3 by 4 power n. Okay, 1 by 4 power n, 1 by 2 power 2n. Next T3 is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r NCR 7 by 8 power r Okay, 1 minus 7 by 8 power n. Okay, now 1 by 8 power n, 1 by 2 power 3n. Okay, now sum is equal to, required sum is equal to 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power 2n, 1 by 2 power 3n, plus up to so on m terms. Okay, now required sum is equal to 1 by 2 power n, 1 by 2 power 2n, 1 by 2 power n whole square, 1 by 2 power n whole cube, plus up to so on m terms. Okay, now 1 by 2 power n is common. Now okay, now here expansion is or in GP Sn equal to a into 1 power r minus 1 by 1 minus r. Now 1 by 2 power n. Now 1 minus, now here r value 1 by 2 power n power m by 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay. 1 by 2 power n into 1 by 2 power n into 1 minus 1 by 2 power mn by 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay, now 2 power n cancel is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 power mn by 2 power n minus 1. Now option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if NC4, NC5 and NC6 are in AP, then N can be. Okay, now if NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1 are in AP, then N minus 2R whole square equal to N plus 2. Okay, now here NC4, NC5 and NC6. Okay, now 5 minus 1, 5, 5 plus 1. Therefore, R is equal to 5. Take R is equal to 5. Okay, now substitute R equal to 5 this one. Now N minus 2 into 5. Okay, N minus 10 whole square. N minus 10 whole square is equal to N plus 2. Okay, now N square plus 100 plus minus 20n is equal to minus n minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now n square minus 21n plus 98 equal to 0. Okay, now factors are, now and here also verification is also one of the method. Now n square minus 7n minus 14n plus 98 equal to 0. Okay, now n common, n minus 7 minus 14 common, n minus 7 equal to 0. Now n minus 7 common, n minus 14 equal to 0. Now n is equal to 7 or 14. Now here only option 14 is given. Now 14 is the one of the answer. Now option 3 is the correct one.